Are you excited, David? Express your feelings to me, David. Are you excited?
Excited.
Can't wait to get me on
Embarrassing.
an island alone. David's lost weight, see? I'm doing you a once over on the bod. Smile for the camera, David. Once more, last time. Know anything about the Stigatoo Inn?
I know everything that you're supposed to know about that.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Is it far from the beach?
Oh, it does practically on the beach, but not straight.
Well, everything sounds good so far.
Comparatively speaking, yes.
And you just walk straight down these streets and they lead right to them?
Yeah, so you can go front road or the back street.
Okay. There's a front street that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Please don't let him drive away with that on top.
Hello?
How you doing?
Okay, how's your day been?
Not bad.
Unless you want to go behind him. Actually, we should go behind him. There's a better view because it's up
Hey,
there.
we got some friends staying at the Laughing Bird. Do you go anywhere around there?
No.
Oh.
Well, drop us off someplace within, as close as you can to it. You just...
I can try direct you to it from the light, okay?
Okay.
What does it say? Well, that's good.
You can do what? Directly to it from the light.
I can direct you to where it is from the traffic light. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
Where do you take us into town?
The marina? You go to the marina, right?
Yes, uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's the marina, now?
Yeah. How far is the marina from the Laughing Bird?
About a 15-minute walk, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, just let us off at the light then. What's the light, man?
Okay, now you see that last big building right there?
Yes.
Take a left.
Okay.
Take a left as soon as you get to the after past the last big building. And continue to walk straight up that road until you see Laughing Bird.
Okay.
Can't miss it.
Thank you, sir. What time do you stop running?
The last bus is at 5:45, I think.
Okay.
And this is where you catch the bus right here? Okay.
Have a good day. There's Monday Tours, which looks like they're out of business, but and we're up on top of the hill there someplace. Cupid's Cay. Hello.
Fine. We just walked.
Trying to find the Laughing Bird, actually.
The
Laughing Bird, I come to find out from you all if you all could sponsor me for my daughter. She's going up to Nassau to sports.
Uh-huh.
Well, she's going next week. She went down to the spelling contest the other day and she won a certificate. So she told me, if I see the tourists, you know, I must ask them if they could sponsor me.
Well, how do we do that?
Like, if you get $2 or $3,
Oh, well, we just came from the beach, actually. I'm trying to...
Laughing Bird?
Yeah, we're trying...
Let me show you where it is. Come.
We got some friends Laughing Bird, and all we did is bring our walking clothes with us, so...
Well, what number room you living in?
Well, we don't know exactly. We're supposed to meet them, and you know, depending on what the vacancy is there and such.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I'll have to ask them too if they're there, but I'm going to show you where it is.
Okay. How far of a walk is it?
Right. Let me show you. But the calculate church is, but I'm gonna carry you all there because you all don't know. See where that building is?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Come.
What building? That one all the way down there?
Yeah,
No.
come, I'm gonna show you all. You all don't know. You all just come here today?
Yeah, we just got here and.
They're laughing for it. She told me, say, when people come there, I'm gonna bring my strawberries there to them.
And what is your daughter's name?
My daughter's name Patrice. She's 11 years old. She just do track and field for the sport, you see?
Yeah.
Last year she won a certificate.
Oh really?
And she told me, say, if you see the people around, so you just ask them if they can sponsor you for me.
And they got how many high schools here? From high school?
One.
Yeah.
No, she go to the primary school right
Primary?
up here by in Governor's Harbor. That was the hardest one, bring a certificate back from Nassau. She went.
Lay me on the beach. And you can come in.
I'll lay you on the beach.
And that's the thing.
No, they're not open. And how many miles from the airport is the property?
It's about 7 miles.
7 miles.
6 miles. It's about 1.5 miles. Go to top. Probably.
Looks like someone's building something up there.
Yeah.
Now, if we wanted to drag our lounges down,
You could, that'll be fine. This is the Sunset Inn.
Which is a restaurant or a hotel?
It's a restaurant.
This one right this little thing is?
No.
No, the red roofed.
Oh, that's down there.
It's about a quarter mile down there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you walk?
Oh, I love walking.
Okay.
So it's a walk. Now, how is that? I would imagine that must be beautiful.
It's dark, but it's very sleepy. Okay. We have never had a problem down there.
Well, we were walking down.
Nassau, totally different. We were in jazz and we walk on there. It's okay.
And I have felt safe. So we were walking out last night in the dark, and I was like, I had his hand.
The
and I
only
really
thing
didn't
I
know
would
we
go,
were
if you go
walking.
to Cupid's Key, way down the dock, there are some dogs, so you'd be on the lake for them. Now, that's the only thing that I know of that you have to be on the watch out for. Now, down here's another restaurant. That's called the Harbor Inn.
Okay.
Two-story building painted pink and peach.
Okay, and it's right on this road going
You
down?
can see it here, yes. You just
Oh,
go out here and take a left, and you can see it in the distance.
Right here, bakery. Smells wonderful. Wow, we're down to one loaf of bread.
What is it?
Relish.
Well, we'll give them something on the way back, maybe.
Well, that's gonna go. Ask them if we're gonna have any more bread.
You guys have any more bread besides this coming up? Or is that the last load?
We have some.
You do have, you have one. Okay,
Okay.
we're gonna take a walk and we'll be back.
Okay.
All right. The neighbors are right on it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of this too over there.
The goat.
Yeah, was that, didn't you hear him buying? Right back there behind that car. Right up.
No.
Right there, there's a human face right here. Right there, see, he's leaning down and he's grabbing her. You look, if you stand right in front of me, you can see.
Oh. Small goat.
Well, yeah. Oh, I think this is the town, David.
Yeah.
Zachary.
Deli. Well, if they're open, they don't. Yeah. Well, don't believe any of the signs anymore.
Go out to lunch. Down this way, right?
I guess.
Leaving this out here.
Why are you leaving it out here?
Because we're gonna take it out to the patio and eat it.
Start heating up some water.
Eggs.
How much were the eggs?
Oh, I don't know.
It doesn't impress
You
them?
want me to tell you for the camera? You wanna know how
Yeah,
expensive
yeah.
it is to eat in
How
Bahamas?
$40 worth
Well,
of?
these are the only things that don't have a price. I can't tell you how much the eggs are. I can tell you these little bananas were like 34 cents. That's not bad. Little bananas will stay up here. The milk was $1.99, a little quart of milk. These French fried potatoes was $2.85.
And you're gonna make French fries, potatoes, and what?
With corned beef. It's a Spanish meal that you've never tried. Very typical. It's a poor Spanish meal. Made with butter. Not made with butter, but with that butter. It's one of those poor Spanish meals. Just like eggs. You ever had white rice with eggs?
Yeah.
It's delicious. I love it. That's another poor Puerto Rican meal. These stupid things were $2.77. I can't believe it. Absolutely amazing.
How much are they in steak?
$1.39.
Geez, most of the stuff is triple price, so that's.
Oh yeah, well the beans, $1.48 for beans. This would cost no more than 79 cents in the States. Let's see how much rice we get with this, 70 cents worth of rice. We got $1.55 for the Vienna. This is going to be a meal.
Vienna
Another
sausage.
Puerto Rican's meal. I'm just going to put it in with the white rice and the kidneys. I'm just going to mix it all together and have a real quick meal. David sardines that he's going to have with mustard and make a disgusting sandwich. These were 79 cents, which is about right, right?
So, yeah.
I've got his mustard to go with his sardines. These all stay out, don't they?
Yeah.
Just gonna leave them here. And my Skintastic. This is the rice to go with this Spanish meal right here. And this is the other to go with this Spanish meal. See the right poor boy meal, poor Puerto Rican meal. And we've got dishwashing liquid for David to do the dishes. And the most important thing of all, my wine.
Yeah.
To keep me
For
happy.
for you only.
Yes, my wine. I already said it's my wine.
Keep you happy.
To keep me happy.
Okay.
That's it. All done. And all that was $40-something, about $40 worth of food. With the wine, it's more than 50. Okay, turn off. Let's see.
Okay, so this is the villa on the
Very nice
on
villa.
the villa that I got Millie to stay in for a week, and
He's gonna make a slave out of me, make me cook. I just saw a mosquito.
and she has some kind of blood that the mosquitoes love.
All right.
And we're going to eat lunch and go snorkeling.
Bye.
Fine.
I'll take a little call like that.
Hello. Who do I speak to about renting a car?
How long do you want to come for?
Probably tomorrow morning and bring it back. I don't know, what time do you close?
We close at 6.
Well, I'll be bringing back Wednesday morning.
2 days?
Is that what's one from 24 hours is considered 2 days?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Just let me check inside.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, find out the different rates, because if it makes
Yeah.
that much of a
'Cause I
difference,
don't
then we
deal-
might bring it back the same day.
I don't deal with the car right now.
Oh, okay.
Before I go through.
Okay. I want to take a picture of us leaving in one piece. So,
Here, let me the camera, I'll do
all
that.
right. Keep left.
Keep left with the camera.
No, no. And just,
Oh, just saying.
it's a big sign on the keep left, so.
And watch out for the dog.
Watch out for me. Okay, so here's the trick. You have to make a turn from your left to your left. Is that on?
Yeah. I'm turning. You turning?
I'm turning this way.
Oh. So you gotta make a turn from your left to your left. Oh, so you gotta watch out for these people.
Don't watch out everywhere.
Yeah, but at this hour this morning, and he did it. Look at that. Amazingly enough.
Okay, turn. I guess we should get some pictures of us.
And this
Where
is
we're
the
at.
ocean. See that? This is where we are. And as a matter of fact, coming up. Did we already pass where we are?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did. Okay, forget that. This is where we went snorkeling. And that island over there, where I'm pointing now, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful snorkeling. We had a wonderful time. It doesn't, the beach doesn't look that pretty, but it's water. It's lovely. The water is absolutely wonderful. And the most beautiful snorkeling that I've ever seen in my limited experience. Here comes the bus, the truck, and the whole idea is to stay on
Try and stay over
the
here,
left
so
of the truck.
Yeah. Hopefully he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, and he does. Ooh, I don't like this. If they hit me, they hit me.
Well, hey. Okay, you turn it off now if you're going to.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Coming around the bend.
On our way to Harbor Island.
With this beautiful ocean.
That's the island we're falling all the way up there.
Oh, you see, that's the moment of the island. We're going to be up there later on. That's it. Beautiful ocean. Look at how beautiful this water is. It's absolutely breathtaking.
And that's the Caribbean side.
It's the Caribbean side. This is, look, pull up to
Man, I
her.
can't believe you had this on.
Excuse me, hon. You know where the caves are? Oh, well, I just know they're called the caves.
Wait till this woman comes. She should.
Okay, thank you. That's their stuff. Excuse me, miss. There are some caves around here.
Huh?
The caves.
Okay. Not on this side.
Okay.
Ask them on the plane of a spider there. This man right here.
Okay, all right,
What's
thanks.
this place?
Okay.
Jeez.
Maybe people don't know. Excuse me, sir. Are there some caves around here? The caves.
Cave?
Yeah.
Yeah, you go back out on the main road.
Uh-huh.
Go down about 2 miles.
North?
Yeah.
Keep going north? Okay.
There's a sign there, but there's no sign now. The sign is now. You see, you're going down to some grass field, right? Big grass fields.
Uh-huh.
You see a PVC piece of PVC pipe of 3 inches. You're turning off the drive.
PVC pipe of about 3 inches?
The sign was on it. It's like what happened.
Okay.
2 miles from after you get on the main road.
Uh-huh.
It's on your left.
Going north.
Right, before you get to it, you'll see a silo on the left and
Uh-huh.
one on the right.
Okay.
Road, you go right there.
Okay.
Drive right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hey, man, no litter. You should take a stand on that sign.
Where?
When you turn right here, it's right on the street right here. So the sign here, it says, hey, man, no litter. Hey, man, no litter. Yeah, got it.
Reverse.
Fork in the road.
The reverse on this car was not very good, so.
Boy. You want to park the car and walk it?
We've got to. Yeah, now I do.
I mean, you know, we're taking this guy's word for it.
Yeah, I mean,
But his
no one's.
intentions were right. As
Yeah,
far as the
well,
PVC pipe.
But no one said you couldn't drive to the caves. You had to
No,
walk.
Exactly. Well, he said, yeah, you can drive right to them. He
Huh?
said maybe we're not accustomed
No. You think we should go farther up the road? No, I mean,
Oh. I don't know.
we gotta
David.
walk all the way over to there.
Is that where they are?
Well, where do you think they
I
are?
have no idea, David. What would I know? I've never been before. All I know, they might be behind those bushes. I have no idea.
Huh. Well, it's definitely a path. Either it's a path to the caves or a path to a voodoo ritual site that no white man has ever seen. And anybody gets near it gets decapitated.
Well, the white man, you're not me. They won't be too much.
Wild boars with those big tusks, maybe. They live in this underbrush.
Forget about it. Oh, I don't know.
You got me going. Now, which way is the path? Does that look like a path going this way or like a path going this way? Yeah, there's your bananas. Okay, there's a path here.
Ow, I'm getting stickered. Do you see something?
Not yet.
I think so.
Well, okay, now you want to turn around. I mean, we're right here. Now you want to turn around? You make no sense half the time. You're not an explorer. At least you're smart enough to wear your tennis shoes. Guess what? There's no cave here. If there is, you need a rope to get down to it. Unless the caves are in this hill somewhere, it's unmarked. Yeah, you can see people getting into it and taking all of our belongings.
Well, we'll have it on film for the cops, right?
Yeah. Well, no, now we're going to get down here on this ledge and get our photos taken. Oh, yes you are. Yes you are.
Now it's on. Oh, I thought you said it was on. Oh, well then, so don't blame me if you had said that it was on and it wasn't. Because look, there's a cave over there. It's like a bridge that the thing is going through. The hole, you see it? There's a hole over there. Okay, he's coming up. Mr. Macho Man is coming up. There he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Just like Mount Everest.
Just like Mount Everest. He climbed that last week. Ta-da!
Let's
Macho
go.
Man.
Let's go.
We're trying another road. Forget it, David. Turn around.
Hey,
Can't turn around.
This cave thing is becoming too much of an ordeal. You don't have that on doing that, do you?
Yeah, I do.
I mean, you're getting great footage of the sky
All
sometimes.
right, I'm sorry. I'm just nervous. I'm looking.
Turn it
It's
on.
there. Oh, this must be. I think we're coming to Window Bridge. Glass window, whatever it's called. Yeah, it's right here. Part of the island where the Atlantic meets the Caribbean. Well, I guess there's some place to stop. Boy, how calm this side is compared to that side, huh? There's probably some pretty nice suites down there. What do you think?
Probably. Don't fall off.
No,
It's a long way down.
not until collecting your name, right?
Like I have so much.
Is this it? it's not slippery.
Yeah, be careful. It's a little bit slippery.
No, this can't be the boiling hole.
Yes, it is. I think that's it right there.
Oh, really?
Otherwise, it looks like, you know, like it's hitting so hard, like the water looks like it's boiling.
Hold it.
Okay, this is as far as I go.
Red light on?
It's on. Careful.
Okay, good.
Look at my hat. See my hat?
Did you have a good time, huh?
I had a wonderful time. We met some wonderful people, and David was just on his best behavior the whole time. Except when he left me drowning out when we were snorkeling. But it was very nice. We had a wonderful time. How's my cooking, David?
Beans and rice for 3 days. It's delicious.
He's lying. Rain on your camera?
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not raining anymore. Dawn? Bye. See you whenever. I don't think it's gonna fly so down here. I have to get something else. That one has to
That's about where you put it.
You don't have to, but you just need to put it over here on the seat.
Ready for takeoff, relax and enjoy the flight. Slowly please take a seat for departure.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. See ya. Bye.
I got it.
I'm going upstairs.
Operated by Piedmont Airlines. It says on.
What? USA?
Yeah.
Yeah, could be. I forget.